For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Ethereum Classic is a cryptographic money brought into the world because of the Ethereum's fork occurred on July 20, 2016. The fork was performed by the Ethereum (ETH) people group to re-establish the assets that were taken utilizing the endeavor found in the DAO code. A piece of the local area disagreed with such downside, and at last, the ETH group was established and the narrative of the option blockchain called Ethereum Classic had started. Ethereum Classic is a questionable coin. It isn't upheld by the Ethereum Foundation, however has some huge endorsement inside the crypto local area as it represents the standard of your own bank. What are the Ethereum Classic cost forecasts? What are the Ethereum Classic expectations for the coin's specialized side? How about we find out? After the 2016 hard fork, the cost of etc. was just 60 to 70 pennies. The expense of ETH tumbled from $14 to $10 because of the DAO outrage. Be that as it may, extremely soon the Ethereum Classic coin showed up on the American Poloniex trade and quickly rose in cost to $1.40. The digital currency market capitalization has developed to $250 million, which around then was much more than Ethereum. In spite of the help of the notable trade and a huge piece of the Ethereum people group, from here onward, indefinitely quite a while, the cost of etc. stayed at a similar level. Just a year after the fact, when the digital currency local area effectively discussed Ethereum issues, diminishing organization transmission capacity, expanding mining intricacy, mistakes in sending off brilliant agreements, etc., numerous clients directed their concentration toward Ethereum Classic once more. A few excavators removed their abilities from the new chain and sent them to Ethereum Classic. Novices were substantially more able to pick the old chain, which required less speculation than Ethereum. Also, a few improvement bunches took up the improvement of Ethereum Classic without a moment's delay, who started to advance the site effectively. The cryptographic money position has additionally reinforced with the appearance of the Ethereum Classic Investment Trust, admittance to the top Chinese choices trades, BTCC and Etquin, and participation with famous figures in the blockchain market. Notable Chinese financial backer Chandler Gao said he planned to send off in excess of 100 activities in view of Ethereum Classic. Barry Silbert, one of the makers of digital currency, started to advance cryptographic money at Bloomberg Terminal. By June 2017, the etc. value rose to $20, and the degree of market capitalization came to $1 billion, which carried the money to the main 10 of the CoinMarketCap world rating. By November, the publicity encompassing Ethereum Classic had perceptibly died down. The progress of Ethereum impacted it. The undertaking grew effectively, sent off new encouraging activities and pulled in huge financial backers from everywhere the world. Toward the finish of harvest time, the market worth of etc. didn't transcend $12. In winter, the cost of a coin flooded up strongly. In mid-January, it crested at $46. The development of market capitalization was not long in coming. By the same token, the marker has as of now defeated the obstruction of $3 billion. By the by, cryptographic money is at this point not in the main 10. Ethereum's market pointers are higher, and the degree of trust in Buterum's fundamental brainchild is additionally extremely high. Be that as it may, Ethereum Classic encapsulates the norm of philosophically obvious, as many aficionados of the old branch, digital money, as it is called. What's more, today the old branch is effectively intrigued by China and other Asian nations, the locale, which takes care of the whole cryptographic money market. In the event that you try to put your resources in long-haul venture, etc. might be a terrible decision. And so on. Cost history shows enormous increments either when the entire market is developing or when the market is generally temperamental. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum Classic costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum Classic will be $41.23. The greatest level that the etc. cost can reach is $46.34. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $42.75. and so on. Price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Ethereum Classic toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical etc. pace of $39.90 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $36.10 and at $41.04, individually. October 2022, Ethereum Classic price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the etc. cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $39.18, while the greatest could reach $42.63 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum Classic may be around $40.70. And so on. Price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Ethereum Classic in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal etc. rate they foresee may be around $41.92 in November 2022. It can drop to $40.40 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $44.67. December 2022, Ethereum Classic price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the etc. cost will be exchanged at $42.75 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum Classic worth to $46.34. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $41.23 in December 2022. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum Classic in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum Classic will be around $61.08. The greatest expected etc. cost might be around $76.63. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $63.30 in 2023. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum Classic, in 2024, etc. is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $89.70 and $107.85, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $92.87. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Ethereum Classic and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base etc. cost could drop to $128.63, while its most